Earth vibration in Yubadu Town, Foya District, Nofa County. The government of Liberia, through the Environmental Protection Agency, the Ministry of Lands and Mines and Energy, and National Disaster Management Agency, completed an investigation into the recent earth vibrations in Yubadu Town, Foya District, Nofa County. The assessment took place from August 14 to 17, was initiated in response to an unexpected seismic activity experienced by the local population July 26 and intensified on August 8 and after that. Historically regarded as a stable geologic terms, place in geologic terms, the region's sudden vibration caused significant alarm and disruption within the community. The investigation identified Yubadu as a community with steep hills and a history of deforestation as critical factors that exacerbated the town's vulnerabilities to landslide, soil erosion, and other movements. Key findings from the investigation indicate that while no immediate catastrophic damage was observed, the inherent instability of the terrain presents significant long-term risks to the community. Of particular concern are the ongoing vibrations, which, though not currently causing visible soil displacement or structural damage, have instilled widespread fear, leading to the displacement of 70% of Yubadu 2,500 residents. In light of these findings, the investigative team has made the following recommendations. Relocation of Yubadu Town. Due to the identified slope instability, the relocation of Yubadu Town to a safer area is imperative to prevent potential future disasters. Further geologic studies, continuous monitoring, and detailed mapping of the fault lines are crucial to predict and mitigate future seismic events, not just in Yubadu, but in similarly vulnerable regions. Enhance community preparedness. It is vital to improve community awareness and preparedness for seismic events, especially among vulnerable populations, to ensure safety and swift response in case of emergencies. Strengthening emergency response. Local emergency responders require additional training. Clear communication protocols between relevant agencies must be established to handle any future seismic activities effectively. Number 4 is